Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time you're coming here, I say a very big welcome to you. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and also click on the notification button. Please subscribe. Now I tell you what, here is our promo at hand. Our promo is coming up and it's starting on the 17th of July and it will end on the 19th of July. So in other words, 3 days. 17, 18, 19. So it is very big opportunity for us. 20% discount for all Austin Global product. All Austin Global product. Make sure you wear your dancing and buying shoes. Buy. And if you want to buy it bulk, for those of you who want to do business, who want to buy it bulk, these are products that are working. Go to my Instagram and see results. Excellent result. Result like this. Result like this. Result like this. All these are results. All right. That is why you need to join this promo, this sales that is coming. Do not forget I said it's 3 days. It's starting from 17th to 19th, 17, 18, 19, a big promo, 20% discount for all Austin Global product. Now, for those of us who have this sensitive skin and you don't want to use lotion, I got something for you. Look at it. This product is for sensitive people. Everybody can use it, but especially for those who have sensitive skin. This oil is amazing oil, trust me. First of all, it will amaze your skin by moisturizing it, and after that, in 3 days, now it will lighten you very well, and then to 7 days, before you know it, you'll be oyibo. That is what the oil does. Your skin is very sensitive. Is prone to irritations and inflammation, so you just need to take off your skin with all these oils I'm introducing to you. Please be part of those who want to witness this amazing testimony. It's a testimony. If it doesn't work, I refund your money to you, but let it be. Follow instruction, please. Follow instruction, all right, so that it will work. In 7 days, if a product works for you, it's an amazing product. You need a bleaching cream, we got that for you. You need a bleaching soap, we've got that for you also. You need powders, you need activators for your product to work, we've got that for you. Do you want to clear your knuckle? We've got that for you. You want to clear your stretch mark? And funny enough, let me tell you, now, this amazing oil, it clears your stretch mark, and also it clears your green veins. So you are using one stone to kill a lot of birds, right? So this is what you need. Do not forget, patronize us.